Welcome to the Community College Internship and Science Undergraduate Laboratory Internship Application Tutorial Series. In this video, we will address the 4 application essays you will write. You will need a text editing software program such as Microsoft Word, someone willing to proofread your essays for spelling or grammatical errors. You will write one essay on each of the following: your research experience, your research interests, your personal experience, and your professional goals. Additional instructions per essay are available at the top of each page. There is a maximum character limit of 2,500 characters per essay, which is approximately the length of 5 single-spaced pages with size 12 font. Be sure to pre-write each essay and have a second person proofread each essay for spelling or grammatical errors. Essay 1. Research experience. Describe your previous research experience or equivalent experience on complex projects, including the level of independence while working as a member of a research project/project team. Essay 2. Research interests. Describe the types of research subjects or activities that interest you at your first and second choice host laboratories, and discuss any particular factors influencing your choice of host laboratories. Essay 3. Personal experience. Describe your professional, academic, or life experience and skills you have that enhance your ability to be an excellent contributing member to the SULI or CCI program. Essay 4. Professional goals. Describe your long-term academic and professional goals, and how participation in the SULI or CCI program could help develop or expand skills required to achieve those goals. If you have questions, please email us at sc.cci@science.doe.gov for CCI or sc.suli@science.doe.gov for SULI-related inquiries. Thank you for your interest in the SULI or CCI program. For additional guidance, be sure to watch our other tutorial videos, requesting recommendations, and submitting transcripts.